This is a misfiring with a 40 control unit, which is the bad drive. So I've set up a scope to check the cylinder for misfiring. And with this vehicle, you wouldn't see it when you even put a diagnosing machine on it to identify the misfiring, because it's 2002 Sentra. And now I have placed the scope on cylinder 4 from the on ignition 4 from the control unit. So I'll take it out and place it on the ignition coil itself and see if I'll get any signal from the PCM or from the ignition drive. And you see I wouldn't have any triggering or any waveform. You just have a straight line. But later I'll take it off from cylinder 4 and place it on cylinder 1 and check if I will have any signal from the PCM. So this one, the cylinder 4 is not working due to bad ignition drive. So I'll place it on cylinder 1, and we have ground power and the feed from the PCM. So I'll put it on cylinder 1, ignition 1, then check the scope, and you can see it triggers. I've set my trigger so it triggers, and you can see it drives. The drive is working, or anytime it is active it is working. So now this ignition 4 now this ignition 1, which is working, and I'm trying to change my time base so that you can have a view of it. So now ignition 1 is working, and you can see the wave that is generating. So I will change it and take it back to ignition 4 again, and ignition coil 4 again, and see if I'll get any waveform again. And with that, I wouldn't get any waveform. So with this one, I'll write off the PCM and I'll call the customer. If he approves, then I change the PCM for her. I'll change the PCM for her. But now you can see the PCM is not sending any signal to ignition.